In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Google Ads campaign for a high-ticket affiliate promotion in 2025. Setting up an effective Google Ads campaign might seem daunting at first, but with a few simple steps, you'll be on your way to reaching more customers online. So let's dive in. Firstly, you'll need to head over to the Google Ads homepage. You can simply search for Google Ads in your preferred search engine or enter the URL directly if you have it on hand. Once you're there, the next thing you'll see is the option to sign in. If you already have a Google account, go ahead and enter your credentials. If not, it's pretty straightforward to set up an account, and this will give you access to an entire suite of tools to boost your online advertising efforts. After signing in, you're taken to the Google Ads Home dashboard. This is your central hub where you'll be managing all your campaigns. From here, you'll want to navigate to the Campaigns tab. It might be on the left-hand side of the screen depending on any updates or layout changes that Google may introduce over time. The Campaigns tab is essentially where your journey begins in creating ads that resonate with your target audience. Once in the Campaigns section, look out for the Ads option and click on it. This will guide you to the area where you will create and manage your advertisements. If you're new to Google Ads, you'll soon notice it has a very user-friendly setup, allowing you to generate ads efficiently and effectively, optimized for your specific campaign goals. Now, it's time to create your ad. There should be a visible Create Ad button. Clicking this will kickstart the process of bringing your ad to life. Here, you will be prompted to input key pieces of information like the ad's headline, description, and target URL, alongside setting other parameters that determine where and how your ad will appear. Remember, the goal is to craft content that is not only eye-catching, but also invites action, whether that's a click through to your website, a call, or another form of engagement. As you set up your ad, keep your target audience in mind. Consider what they're searching for and how your product or service aligns with their needs. Crafting a compelling offer and using engaging language can significantly impact your ad's performance and ultimately aid in driving conversions. Additionally, selecting appropriate keywords that match the intent of potential searches will ensure your ad reaches the right people at the right time. Once everything looks good and each aspect of your ad has been optimized, it's time to review and launch. Take a moment to double check all your inputs and ensure everything aligns with your strategic goals. Then with one final click, your ad will be on its way to reaching numerous potential customers. That's it. Setting up a Google Ads campaign for high ticket items is really that simple. With practice, you'll find yourself becoming more proficient with these tools, setting yourself up for great success with online advertising. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.